a Skag.
Okay, okay.
48 inch.
Oh, 48 inch, okay.
Yeah, nothing.
Those are nice though, man.
Yeah, I needed something because the farmhouse has got 4 acres. I don't have a lot of time during the week, or at least not lately. I have.
Oh, you need that for a 4-acre, man. Damn.
I wouldn't want
I'm
to
over
be
cutting
out
some of those yards in the summertime. I gotta do it for pay, but you know.
there. Yeah. Well, I do enjoy it. I do enjoy it. Yeah, you can see all the. It's ridiculous, but yeah, all new manifolds and bolts. They told
Damn.
me brand new manifolds because the old ones tend to warp.
Mhm.
So in the past, they put on the original manifolds on other trucks in the past, and they said that they come back.
Right. So you just took care of it.
New manifolds, both sides. Comes with the shields and everything. It's like a complete assembly. So it should be good there. And when I was in there, I didn't check everything out. They didn't want to have any issues with winter. They said that the power steering oil cooler was a little wet at the bottom. But I didn't see any drips or drops anywhere in the drive. So I had that done. That's behind here. You can see that, just that little guy right there.
Okay, okay.
That's new.
You want to ruin your wipers, man? Well, my wipers soon. This is a beautiful truck, man. The pictures don't do it justice, really.
I know, yeah. Well, red's a good color, too.
Right.
This color red, not the bright stuff.
Because you seem like the guy who really serious about selling the truck. Everybody else, man, I don't think you really want to sell their truck, man. I had an argument with a guy yesterday. Said, come get the truck, but it might be sold when you come get the truck.
Oh, yeah.
I said, do you want me to buy the truck or you already got it sold?
No, I want to buy it to be real comfortable buying it. Craigslist is weird, man.
Very well. I've been dealing with it for years. That's why I know somebody is serious. And I've been dealing with it since it first came out. So, like, I've sold so many things, thousands of things on Craigslist. So, like, I know when someone is serious or playing or a scam or not really legit, how they post that.